Post-construction termite treatment benefits greatly from in-home monitoring devices for early detection and treatment tracking. After construction, place wood monitoring stakes in attics, basements, and around decks where termites are most likely to start feeding. Use pressure-treated or untreated wood depending on local recommendations and rotate stakes every 3 to 6 months to check for fresh feeding marks. Install in-home bait monitors in crawl spaces and along foundation perimeters, following manufacturer spacing guidelines. Keep baits at consistent depths and change bait matrices when consumption suggests colony activity. Use camera-assisted inspections to document hard-to-reach voids and to capture progressive damage, recording videos with time-stamped files so you can compare changes over weeks and months. Log each inspection and any termite activity in a simple spreadsheet or notebook with date, location, device type, signs observed, and corrective actions taken, so trends are visible and responsibility is clear. Coordinate monitoring with treatment timelines so monitors proceed and follow any chemical or baiting treatments to measure efficacy and to guide retreatment decisions. Train household members to recognize subtle signs like mud tubes, frass, or tiny windows in soft wood, and to report these observations so professional follow-up is timely. Common problems include placing monitors in low-risk or inaccessible spots, which yields false negatives, so move devices to evidence-driven locations like near visible moisture sources or structural joins and ensure they can be accessed without disturbing insulation. Another issue is inconsistent logging, which makes trend detection impossible, so establish a fixed inspection cadence and use the same logging format every time to build usable data. A third frequent mistake is relying solely on one monitoring modality, which can miss early activity, so combine wood stakes, bait monitors, and periodic camera inspections to cover varying termite behaviors and habitat preferences. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by listing professionals who work on termite control and other structural services, and we provide community discussion boards where neighbors and experts share experiences and advice. We help contractors find qualified leads by allowing them to present their services and engage directly with homeowners and community conversations.